What if I told you most people today aren't broken because life is hard? They're broken because they've chosen comfort over courage. We scroll, we envy, we compare, and then we wonder why our minds feel weak and restless. The truth is simple: comfort is the poison, and the Stoics knew this centuries before we were born. Marcus Aurelius once wrote, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." That's not a quote, that's a command. In this training, we're diving into 8 brutal Stoic laws that will rebuild your mind, harden your discipline, and awaken your inner strength. If it hits deep, comment your mantra: "Discomfort is my training ground." We've been taught to chase ease. The Stoics chased pain on purpose. They knew every challenge carries a hidden teacher. Your greatest growth didn't come from peace, it came from pain. From the breakup that broke your ego. From the failure that shattered your pride. From the silence that forced you to meet yourself. Marcus Aurelius said, "What stands in the way becomes the way." Each obstacle is a forge. The heat that hurts is the same that hardens you. So stop running. Take the cold shower. Have the hard conversation. Sit in boredom and watch your thoughts burn away. Say it again. Discomfort is my training ground. You are not free if every mood dictates your actions. You're not strong if every insult owns your peace. Epictetus warned, anyone capable of angering you becomes your master. That driver who cut you off, you gave them your calm. That text you didn't get, you gave it your confidence. Every time you react without reflection, you hand away power. The Stoic doesn't suppress emotion. He observes it. He breathes through it. He chooses his response. Next time anger rises, pause. Ask, is this emotion useful right now? If not, release it. That is emotional mastery, not denial, but dominion. The world spins beyond your command. But inside, there's one empire you can govern: your own mind. Epictetus said, make the best use of what is in your power, and take the rest as it happens. You can't control the storm, but you can control the sailor. You can't control others, but you can master your reaction. When chaos hits, remember this. If it's inside your control, act. If it's outside, detach. That's the art of calm in a burning world. You could leave life right now. Let that shape your words, your thoughts, your choices. Most people live like they'll live forever. They waste hours as if time were infinite. The Stoic doesn't fear death, he uses it. Because when you remember the end, every breath becomes sacred. So stop waiting, stop delaying. This right now is your life. We suffer when we cling to outcomes. We build power when we honor the process. Epictetus said, freedom is gained by disregarding what lies beyond our control. The gym rep that hurts, the business that fails, the art no one praises. All of it, training. Marcus wrote, never let the future disturb you. Meet it with the same weapons of reason that arm you today. Detach from applause. Detach from validation. Show up, build, repeat, as if the result were already done. That's how you win before you win. Life owes you nothing. Not success, not peace, not justice. Marcus Aurelius ruled Rome and still faced betrayal, war, and pain. If even an emperor didn't expect fairness, why do you? Seneca said, sometimes even to live is an act of courage. Bad things happen to good people. Good things happen to the unworthy. So what? Strength isn't about fairness. It's about facing the storm without complaint. Stop asking, why me? Start asking, what now? That's radical responsibility. That's freedom. The modern world worships noise. likes, follows, validation. But the Stoic moves for truth, not applause. Marcus Aurelius said, "Just do the right thing. The rest doesn't matter. Integrity is power no one can steal. Do what's right, even when it's unseen. Speak truth even when it costs you. Keep promises even when it hurts." Seneca wrote, "I will govern my life as if the whole world could read my thoughts." Be that kind of human. In a world of actors, be real. In a world of noise, be still. In a world chasing approval, chase virtue. Because when you no longer need the crowd follows you. You've been given everything you need. A body that can endure. A mind that can choose. A soul that can lead. Train it, test it, temper it. Through discomfort, through discipline, through death itself. You don't need praise. You don't need motivation. You need motion action mastery. Pause for a moment. Breathe. Ask yourself, what is one act of discipline you'll choose today? Not tomorrow, today. Because the storm won't wait for you to feel ready. And you were built for it. So walk into the fire. Face your weakness. Hold your line. So drop your affirmation now. Discomfort is my training ground. Share this message. Train someone else's mind. And remember, it's all training. Every storm, every silence. Forge the mind. Hold the helm. Face the fire. Rebuild. Refocus. Rise. Windsor wisdom.